Hi, I'm Dr. Douglas Genninger. I began my dental practice over 30 years ago with a mission to provide the highest quality dental service with a gentle touch. I'm proud to say that since 1988, my superb staff and I are still providing top quality service to our patients in the highest state-of-the-art dental practice in the area. With the latest and advanced technology, we offer our patients a wide range of general dentistry in a warm and caring environment. Our comprehensive exams utilizing these advanced technologies allow us to come up with the best treatment options to serve our patients' needs. Our experienced hygienists provide thorough cleanings and maintenance, allowing our patients to achieve and keep their beautiful smiles. Our services range from simple restorations to full mouth reconstruction, dental implants, minimally invasive laser treatments, and sedation dentistry. It has always been our goal to offer nothing but the very best dental care to our patients, who we treat like family. Our state-of-the-art dental technology is part of our commitment to excellence within our office. We are all looking forward to meeting you and helping you create a beautiful smile.